So I'll start with the slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 80. So 81 chains completed. On the second chain from the hook, I'm gonna make a single crochet. One single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. From this row, the second row onwards, what I'm gonna do is chain 1, single crochet in the very first stitch, the one on top of the chain 1, and single crochet in every stitch till row 60. The same row will be repetitive till the end. So here I'm on row 60, and then I'm gonna start working the strap. I'm gonna chain 50 and then single crochet back to the other side and do the same, chain 50, and then it'll be back and forth the whole strap until 5 rows. So I have finished the chain on this side, and we started from here with the chain 50 and then single crochet all throughout the whole piece, and then continuing chaining. And again I'll do the same. I'm gonna make a single crochet throughout this chain, and then continue single crochet all along the way until I finish 5 rows of the strap. So until I finish 5 rows of the strap, and then I'll start shaping the upper side of the apron. Don't forget to check the written pattern. So now these are the lower strap completed on both sides, and what I'm gonna do next is work single crochet into the initial piece until I'm left with 20 rows. I will stop there and work the upper side with the single chain 1 and single crochet for 40 rows. So here I will not continue the single crochet till the end. I will leave 20 stitches from the beginning, and then I will start my next row back and forth 40 rows until I get 40 rows, and then I'll go to the next step. So this is what you will do next. Stop at the 20 stitch before the end and work up the next rows. So this is the 40th stitch after finishing the lower strap, and then I'm gonna work back and forth single crochet for 40 more rows. So 40 rows, 40 stitches, and then I'll come back to show you what to do next. So here I'm done with the upper piece, and I'm gonna start the neck chain or the neck strap, and I'm gonna chain 30. So here I'm done with my chain. I chained 30. You can chain 50 or whichever number you wish, and then I'll join onto the last stitch of the upper apron with a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and single crochet back in every chain. So I'll turn and then single crochet onto the first stitch, and here I'm done with the first row, and I'm gonna join with a slip stitch onto the upper side of the apron. and then slip stitch into the second into the second stitch, chain 1 and turn and work the second row of the strap. That's what we're gonna do for 5 rows total. So turn and single crochet in every stitch and slip stitch onto the other side as well, and you continue the same way for all 5 rows. So I'm finishing row 4 here, and again I'm gonna slip stitch before starting back my 5th row, 5th and last row. And slip stitch into the upper piece, and then chain 1, turn and single crochet in the first stitch of the strap and continue single crochet till the last. And here I'm finishing row 5, and then I'll join. And this is the joining point with a slip stitch. This is how it is. You can make it short or long as you wish, but this is how it looks like. Yes.